In this video, I will show you how to get free shares on Trading 212. So for example, I got 0.02 shares of Louis Vuitton, which at the time was worth about 13 euros. Now you can also get a higher valued stock, and I'll show you how you can get it. Now first you want to sign up for Trading 212. You don't need to use any particular link for this, and just go to verify your identity and fund your account with at least £1 or euro or dollar. And then what you want to go and do is just click on these three lines in the bottom left, and then from here scroll down until you see use promo code. So click use promo code. Then here enter a code. Now in order to find the code, what I would recommend doing is just going to search for Trading 212 promo code Reddit on any browser, and there just click on a Reddit thread with a bunch of promo codes, because people that have a promo code will post it right there, so you can just find a recent one. Now I have already used a code, but I can just enter one that I have found on one of these websites, and usually it will look something like this. So this right here is one that may right now work, but there is usually a maximum amount of people that can use each code. So therefore what you want to do is just go to that Reddit thread, and there you will find a bunch of people with codes that they are promoting basically, which you can then enter. And then if you click apply, then you can claim your free shares. Now you can see I have already done this, but then from here you can also claim your free shares. So now you know how to get free shares on Trading 212. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.